So guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show about, first of all, if you are my constant follower or a constant subscriber, then you will know I always have a CAD comrade icon over here with the drawing. As you can see, it is not here right now, and that's what the video is all about: how to add a image in an AutoCAD file. It is very simple, and this is what you're going to learn in the video today. Now you need to go in the insert menu over here and then click on attach. Then you'll get all the files that is supported by AutoCAD to attach on its file. So here I have my CAD comrade icon, which is I've named as CAD. You can also insert any image you want, like the tiles in the tiles layout, or any specific landscape, uh, anything you need, right? It's basically all that you need to select this image and specify the dimensions if you want a specific scaled image, or if you don't want it and you just want the image to be in the file, then just press OK. Then now you need to specify the first point of the image that it would be, and then scale it according to the view you have or the view you want, and then just specify the second point, and you will have your image right over here. So it is that simple, and you can attach any image to your AutoCAD file. If you very must think that if you are sharing your AutoCAD file and it has a image attached to it, you have to ensure that this image also goes with the file. So if you are plotting the sheet or you are sending a file, make sure that the image is in the same file which you send. Okay, thank you for watching, and share it with someone who may need it.